Okay, history fans, let's have a look at question 2b for paper 1. For this video, we are using a medicine example. The skills are the same, but if you want a crime or migrants example, then they are on the way. Be patient. So how can 4 tiny marks create so much hate? Students hate this question, teachers hate teaching it, examiners hate marking it, even Hippocrates hates it. Well, have no fear. I'm going to talk you through how you can guarantee at least 3 of those marks every time. So here goes. This is the question we are answering. And this is the source we are using. This would be a good time to have a little pause and read. Okay, let's get to business with step 1. We need to be acting like real historians here and pick a juicy detail from the source that we would want to follow up and explore further. A detail means you have to write a quote from the source. Ideally, we want a quote relevant to the focus of the question. In this case, the work of stretcher bearers. I'm going with this. This is an interesting detail because it suggests stretcher bearers sometimes had to wait many hours before they could collect the wounded. However, if you are not sure what quote to write down, don't worry. Think about it. Anything you write down from the source counts as a detail, so write down any quote and you can't go wrong. You just got your first mark, bro! Okay, for step 2, we need to pose a question based on the detail we just selected. It needs to be something we could actually find out an answer to. So no, what were they thinking? Or, did they get bored? They're dead. We're never gonna find that out. This is the question I'm going for. This works nicely. If you are ever stuck for a question, going with, was this typical, is a good backup. It pretty much covers anything that could come up, so should get you that mark. Let's go! For step 3, we need to show the examiner that we have knowledge of the types of source that would be available at the time, and suggest one that could help us answer our question. So if you just say, another letter or source B, you'll get what you deserve, a big, fat 0. Luckily, there is one type of source that is not likely to feature in the paper and will work all the time. You could probably just write medical records and get the mark, but RAMC records is more specific and will guarantee it. We're on fire! You're doing great. You've made it to the final step. Time to get your brains into gear. You need to suggest how would RAMC records help you to answer. Was it typical for stretcher bearers to wait a long time after battles to collect the wounded? Just use common sense here. It's likely the official records would have info like timing, so you could say this. Oh yeah, you know what you're smelling right now? Success! So there you go, learn these steps and you'll nail that 2B every time.